Speaking. Personal information. My name is William Villarreal. I am 28 years old. I am from Zipaquirá. I am live with my wife in Zipaquirá. I am a production operator and I am studying industrial engineering. My hobby is watching movies. My favorite TV show is WWE World Wrestling Entertainment, and my favorite sport is soccer. Describing my family. There are 3 people in my family. My wife is Andrea Abella. She is 24 years old. She is a student. She is from Tabio. My wife is sweet and friendly. She is tall and thin. She eyes are black and she has long and brown hair. My mother is Luz Marina Cetina. She is 57 years old. She is housewife. She is from Tocancipá. My mother is gentle. She is medium height. Her eyes are brown and she has long brown straight hair. My brother is Henry Villarreal. He is 27 years old. He is a student. My brother is friendly and cool. He is very tall and thin. His eyes are brown and he has short black curly hair.